Hello, my name is Isabella Mester. Today I'll be going over question 2 for Computer Science 110, Quiz 7. So for question 2, I'm going to be using my helper function from question 1 to print out all the prime numbers from 2000 to 2500 inclusive that have a prime digit sum that is larger than, or that have a digit sum of 10 or 14. And I have defined my main function from above, and this is my helper function that I'll be using to print the statement prime numbers from 2000 to 2500 inclusive with a digit sum of 10 or 14. And there's my docstring statement, and then I'm going to go in with my for loop range statement, and because it's inclusive to 2500, I'm going to go 2501. That way we get the 2500 that we need as well. So if the prime numbers are equal to 10 or 14, then I have that piece of code right there. And then I can go ahead and print out the function as is. And I'm going to run the module, save it, and we have our prime numbers from 2000 to 2500 inclusive with a digit sum of 10 or 14. And as you can see, it's still a lot of numbers, but if you add them all up individually, you can see that for this one, it's 8 plus 2, that's 10, and then it just goes from 10 or 14. And that's pretty much that. So thank you for watching.